In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from Chapaa app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to stop these app notifications, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and find your app and then long press on it, and you should see we have app info here. For this tutorial, I'm on Android smartphone, and when you tap, this will take you to the app info page, and from here scroll down until you see notifications. Currently, you can see notifications are turned on. That's why you have been receiving these pop-up notifications. To turn off this, go ahead and tap on notifications and toggle off show notifications. Now this will go ahead and turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive alerts from Chapaa app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable pop-up notifications or alerts from Chapaa app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.